Okay, we've Sky Challenge this morning for the tutor group. The case is off and we've got the Skybox undone. Let's just have a quick look what we've got on it. There's our displays at the front. There's also a USB port there at the front. If we look around the back, we'll see what we've got. We have got a mains point. We've got our AV outputs. We have also got here an optical. Our RF, this is where the connections will come from the LNB, from the satellite noise, low noise block. We've got an TV aerial in and two RFs out. Okay, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a USB port. I don't think anybody anymore uses a SCART or connects a telephone line, or definitely not an RS-232 port. Right, okay, so to get it apart, we've got some positions and we'll come back in a minute when we've got the next bit. Right, over to you. You're going to take the bits off and we'll come back in a minute when it's all apart.